Hi everyone, it's me Jenny again, and today I'm sharing my experience with ClassPass in Arizona. So I've been using ClassPass in Arizona so far. I've been living in New York for a while, so just wanted to check out a few classes. But honestly, Pilates is very expensive, especially Reform Pilates. And I found this really awesome Pilates place called Power Core Plus in Mesa, and this has been my go-to. They do more than Pilates, but I do prefer their Pilates class. And I've been just doing a lot of classes, and Pilates, because it's so expensive, I wanted to try an affordable option, and I've been just using ClassPass to do it. And it's been just really awesome to try classes. So Pump Up is a little more cardio based, whereas like Athletic Pilates Flow is very based on just more strength training. So if Pump Up Pilates was more like cardio 70%, Athletic Pilates would be more strength training 70%. So this is just like, comparison between two different type of Pilates classes, and they're both reformer, but even just on the studio. So I tried both, and I really love these classes, and this is a studio I go to a lot. I feel like these are classes that I really love. Just letting you know, these are not beginner level. These are probably intermediate level. I don't consider myself Pilates intermediate, but as a fitness enthusiast, I'm quite mid-level tier, at least with my fitness level and capabilities. So it was quite challenging, I'm not gonna lie to you, but it was fun class. Also, it says in the description that they require non-slip grippy socks, which I wore, but found out that this particular class you could also wear sneakers, so it was really cool. So it's not always 100% of what the description says, but just come prepared as the description says. And today we are going to go work out, and as you can see over here, Kevin, my boyfriend, and we are going to go do Rumble boxing. Rumble, I have been loving using it in New York, and I only usually do classes of Rumble through ClassPass because I like the fact that I could afford it more. It's more affordable than signing up directly to their website. However, you cannot pick spots on ClassPass app. They pick it for you, but on Rumble app you can. So if you want to specifically want a spot, if that's important to you, then you need to do it on Rumble website. But if you are looking for something just more affordable, and you don't care for the designated spot that they give you, then I highly recommend trying ClassPass app to try Rumble classes or any other classes. So in a minute, we're actually driving over to do the upper body class today, and let me show you what our workout looks like. So not only for the affordability, but I really love using ClassPass because of the versatility that brings me. And I sometimes want to do Pilates, sometimes I feel like I need to do hot yoga, and right now I'm on a Pilates and boxing kick and that's been my go-to, but it's also really fun to try with your friends, and I thought I would just make this video so you can see what it's actually looking like when you work out in the Arizona area. I also have been using it in New York, and if you would like to see video on New York ClassPass usage, let me know in the comments down below. And thumbs up for me if you found this video to be helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Talk soon. Bye!